Nearly 3 years on, the conflict in Ukraine persists, and the war's victims still urgently need our support. WellBeing International coordinates the Ukraine Rescue, Relief, and Rebuild Consortium, whose partners offer diverse resources and expertise. Save the Dogs and Other Animals has overseen the shipment of more than 1,100 tons of food into Ukraine. Our newest partner, Worldwide Vets, operates a mobile veterinary clinic offering free care throughout the war-torn country. Sloboda Savirat is supporting Ukrainian refugees and their beloved pets in Slovakia through its shelter program and activities, as well as delivering food and supplies into Ukraine. Tigers in America has helped to transport at-risk large animals to sanctuaries in the U.S. and beyond. And WellBeing International is spearheading fundraising and outreach and developing a communications network to link shelters, zoos, clinics, and local governments for rescue, relief, and rebuilding efforts. Please support this long-term mission of compassion and care.